So as long as this thing is hanging here, let me show you a different experiment you can do using the light meter. The light meter, and this thing is on. So let's see here, I'm going to turn that on, and I'm going to hit record. And now it's very rapidly, almost 5 kilohertz, sampling the light input sensor on this thing. So if I just point this thing up toward the lights that are the fluorescent lights in this office, you get a little more brightness there. Okay, so let me stop. That itself isn't very exciting. But what you can do now is let's zoom in a little bit on the data that we just took. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to zoom right here, just a tiny little zoom, and look at that, will you? You see, superimposed on a DC light level, you see the lights oscillating. And in fact, this is the 120 hertz that you see from fluorescent lights. And so to convince yourself that that's true, we can do a fast Fourier transform of this. So I'm doing right here. And so I'll select that region. And then we can see down here at the bottom that we indeed are seeing 120 hertz. In fact, if we can do an even more precise Fourier transform if we like. Let's go up here. Okay, and let's even go 4,000. There we go. 4,000 samples. And now you see here it's between there and there. So it's between 119.5 and 120.5, which is 120. So it's really very precise.